Hello guys, welcome back to Thread Coder. This is the HTML crash course from Thread Coders. We'll take you from a beginner to a web development pro in just few short minutes. HTML or hypertext markup language is a foundation of web. Actually, it is the basic structure of a web. It's what makes website work, and I'm going to show how to work it and how to use it. Whether you are new to web development or need a quick refresher, you are in the right place. In this course, we'll cover the basics of HTML, from tags and elements to a structure of a web page. You'll learn how to create headings, paragraphs, lists and links, all the building blocks of website. We'll make it easy to understand. I'll walk you through the practical examples. By the end of this quick crash course, you'll have the skills to create your own web pages from scratch. So let's dive into HTML, and in just few minutes you'll be on your way to building your own websites. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Give this video a thumb up and let's get started.